scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Java array loops can be tricky, but we will solve this code segment quickly by tracking the index values and the loop conditions together. The array contains 8 elements, so the length is 8. Our loop starts at index 1, which is the word brain, and it must stay strictly less than 7 to continue. We increment the index by 2 each time. After printing brain at index 1, we jump to index 3 to print dash, then move to index 5 to print the word frame. Adding 2 again brings the index to 7. Since 7 is not less than 7, the loop ends. That makes option C our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.